Is your shop falling behind because of the complexity of using CAD CAM for G-code generation? Then it's time to dump the CAD but keep the CAM and create G-code faster and easier with Kipware. Kipware has started a CNC programming revolution with easy-to-use conversational CAM that requires no CAD, no drawing, and even no G-code experience to create professional, efficient G-code. Kipware breaks the chains of big software with no subscription fees, no maintenance fees, no cloud-based BS, and one-time costs for lifetime licenses that include 2-seat standard. Grow your CNC business through faster turnaround and increased output with Kipware. Explore more and join the revolution at www.kipware.com.